Ooh.
Victoria's.
No, this is Valentina's.
Yours.
Yeah, that's yours. Paint.
Huh?
It's, look, a paintbrush. Sophia the first. What else is in there? Oh, no way. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Ice cream Play-Doh.
More Play-Doh.
It's ice cream Play-Doh, Valentina.
Open it.
Okay, in a little while. Look what else is in here. Keep looking.
We'll open it later, Valentina.
What's this? Oh my God, stickers? Sophia the first stickers?
Open it.
Yeah, right? Okay, and who's that?
Abby.
Yay, Abby. And what's this? Look, it's construction paper. Look at all the different colors. Cool. Uh-oh. Oh, what's this? A shovel. And
Oh, you can help Daddy outside?
look, a cultivator.
You can help Daddy plant some plants?
Gloves to help Daddy in the garden. Uh-oh. Daddy,
Look.
what's this?
What's this?
Tomatoes. You're going to grow your own tomato, Daddy.
Cool.
It's your own tomato plant. We have to start that because it starts inside.
Awesome.
You like everything? Huh?
Say thank you to Mr. Rabbit.
Thank you, Bunny. Here's your card.
Thank you, Easter Bunnies.
No? Okay. Here, Valentina.
Valentina, say Happy Easter.